Welcome to Brains and the Beats. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about another chopping incident. Recently, they have been back to back to back to back. And I feel like it's something in the water in Jamaica, something they're eating, something in the vaccination, something is happening to our Jamaican men. They're mentally unstable. Something is happening to them. Honestly, I don't know what to say. That's causing these men to chop up women and children. Let's get into this story. It says the police are reporting that the man who was being sought in connection with the chopping of two little girls in Old Harbour, St. Catherine on Tuesday is now in custody and is being questioned by investigators. The man is reportedly a neighbor of the girls, turned himself into the police on Wednesday night and was subsequently arrested. The injured girls, aged 11 and 13, remain hospitalized in serious but stable conditions. Reports are that sometime after 9 p.m. on Tuesday, the girls' stepfather left them at home in the Marley Acres community to go and meet their mother. The male neighbor is believed to have then gone to the house where the girls were, where he reportedly held the 13-year-old girl and was in the process of sexually molesting her. When he was caught in the act by the other sister, in response, the man reportedly became extremely violent and inflicted chop wounds on both girls before fleeing the scene. The girls' parents returned home and found them badly injured. They were rushed to the hospital where they were admitted for treatment. And this story can go one of many ways, because a lot of Jamaican teenagers now feel like they are woman and they can have sex whenever they want, especially when you're a teenager and you start to smell a green arm and you feel like you have arrived because me a woman now, me make it, okay, me a teenager, I'm an adolescent. A lot of times, a lot of these girls are groomed into having sexual relationship with these men, and not only are they groomed, some of them are just grown, way too grown, and they illicit sex to these men, whether it's for money, whether it's for things, whether it's just because them feel like them can have sex, or they're at the age where they're allowed to have sex. Or this man literally raped this girl and he realized what he had done, and when the sister caught him, he knew that they were going to tell, and if he didn't do something quickly, he's going to go to jail for the rest of his life. He panicked, chopped them up, thinking that they were dead, but they were not dead. They were actually in the hospital in serious but stable. The parents figured out who it was and told the cops. So he has turned himself into the police. I hope they get to the bottom of this, because the girls are in stable condition. They can say exactly what went down, if he actually raped them or if the girl just gave him some, or what the case may be, because this can go many ways. And I'm like, in our culture we tend to victimize the victim, or try to act like the victim did it and it's the victim's fault. But she's 13 years old. She can consent to having sex with a grown ass man. Either way, even if she did give him some, she's 13. The age of consent is 16, and grown men are making excuses and having sex with these girls younger and younger and younger. I feel like the age of consent needs to be 18, but that's a whole other topic for a whole nother day. What are your thoughts on this situation? Do you think he's guilty? Do you think that this girl is just fast and her sister came in the situation and didn't know what was happening, and she just panicked and said that she was being raped? Do you think that it's okay, even if this little girl gave him a piece, that he took it even though she's 13 and can't consent to sex? Do you think he's just a rapist? What are your thoughts in the comment section below? What are your thoughts on all the scenarios that I've put out there? Not saying that this girl is false, not saying that she gave him a piece. I'm just saying there's different scenarios that can occur in this particular situation. We've seen it happen in real life all the time. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.